everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, we have a DMart haul. So this is for Mama and me. We went shopping for
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है।
stuff that we needed for the vacation that's going to come up really soon. You will get to know about that, but I'm just going to show you all the things that we got today. इतना बड़ा बिल भी बना दिया. So I'm going to show you the first thing that I got from this so that I can sit and have it while I'm talking to you guys and showing you all the things that we got. So I got this smooth from there. थोड़ा बड़ा वाला स्मूथ मिला था, अदरवाइज यू गेट 10 रुपए वाला छोटू सा ना. दिस इज लाइक थोड़ा बड़ा वाला स्मूथ. I love the chocolate smooth so much. I'm going to show you all the things that I got. Oh, let's start with this. So we got some French fries. Because why not, deep fry kar lo, peri peri masala dal do, which we also got by the way. So French fries it is. The next thing we got are these potato shots. क्योंकि हम सब what do you say, pure non-vegetarians है, so this is the only vegetarian thing जो अच्छा लगता खाने के लिए. But yeah, this has cheese in it, so potato shots. Moving on, this was something that Mama picked up. This is aloo tikki. सस्ता बर्गर बन, लाइक इजी वाला फटाफट वाला बर्गर बन जाता है आलू टिक्की. ओह या, सो आई गॉट दिस मिष्टी दही टुडे. सो Mama and me, we used to work in the same office. Like my first company and the last company that I worked with, like it was with my mom only. So वहाँ पे ना we used to get this मिष्टी दही in the cafeteria. And like every time we had the same shift and same shift timing and we used to be in the same cab and all, Mama and me, we used to go to the cafeteria just to get these, and we used to have these in the cab while going back home. So got these, so we got two again, two mishti dahi and doi because it's very nice. I like it. घर पे बनाने नहीं होता, so two of the mishti doi. So we've got two bags like this filled with all the saman. Okay, moving on, we've got like बड़ा वाला मैगी because of course शोध और मुझे मैगी बहुत पसंद है, so we love having Maggi. And if you follow me on Snapchat, you might know like मैं मैगी कितना खाती. एवरी नाउ एंड देन अगर कुछ है नहीं बनाने के लिए और ऐसे भी I'll just go make one Maggi, I'll put cheese and everything in it and I'll have to like. This is a must. This is like a need more than a want. Okay, also I got this जो मुझे दिखा था, so I wanted to try this out. Do you want to see what I got? Korean chicken flavored hot and spicy noodles. So I got these. I just got one because I don't like spicy food that much, but something, right? Like I wanted something good, I guess. Good. I बैगन.
बैगन.
हो. Anyway, I'm gonna try making this. जो आजकल थोड़ा भूत छड़ा है वैसे भी मुझे कि I want to cook and all of that thing, so I'm gonna try this out. Okay, so for the trip, the vacation that we are going on, we got थोड़ा essentials like Iodex, क्योंकि ट्रिप पे जा रहे हैं कुछ तो लगेगा, right? And ऊपर से I have slip disc, so and I have arthritis, so Iodex spray. Because पहली बात तो slip disc है, ऊपर से arthritis है, and Mama also would need it. And on top of that, I am not at all clumsy, so I'm not going to fall down every now and then. I won't have like a sprained ankle or something. So yeah, that is for that. Oh my god, we've got a bada wala chai ka something. This ओ सोसाइटी की मम्मा वांटेड टू ट्राई दिस बड़ा वाला आउट, सो इसीलिए बड़ा वाला चाय. एंड ऑफ कोर्स बड़ा चाय को दिन में एटलीस्ट 2 से 3 बार तो चाय मैं ही पी लेती हूँ. सो या दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. मूविंग ऑन. Oh, the very nice, the most important thing. This peri peri masala. Now, you know, the whole plan right now is making the French fries with peri peri masala on top of it. Perfect hoga. It will be amazing. I'm going to love it. And you know, just imagine the peri peri fries with the Korean noodles and chai. वी हैव इनो ऑल्सो जस्ट इन केस अगर ट्रिप पे किसी को इनो की जरूरत पड़े तो इनो भी रहेगा हमारे पास. So yeah, we got Eno. It has how many sachets? 6 sachets in it. So it's saltines. Okay, this is what Mama picked up. It's her favorite. This is some makhna, and she got the plain one so that she makes good makhna. Okay, she'll put like different things in it. Mostly she's going to put peri peri in it. That's what I think so. But otherwise also she makes amazing makhna. So this is what Mama got. Moving on. Oh, another two very important things. Two nahi, one only. But I got 2 packs of it. So this is cheese macaroni. Cause of course you need to have this in your life, right? Now we got these pens. Set of 5, and these are gel pens. He wanted ball pen, but he told me gel pen last night. Either way, those are gel pens that we got. See, now it is my mother, and she loves to get dry fruits. Mama will spend all the money she's got in food only, pehli baat to. But yeah, she got badam ka ek packet pura ka pura. I don't like badam. And then she got pura kaju ka packet. Again, I don't like kaju. This is a good dry fruit that she picked up. I love walnuts. So we've got California walnut. So walnuts. So Mama picked these up. These are Jim Jams, and she's like, बचपन की याद आती है ये देख के. So of course Jim Jams. मम्मा को भी बचपन की याद दिला देती है. So yeah, we've got 2 packs of Jim Jams now. This is important. So I am on a mission to try and grow my hair long again. I used to have super long hair, but I kept on cutting my hair, and then I wanted to experiment with it. I started coloring my hair, and now it is like this. So I used to have hair which were long till, you know, they used to be long till my hips, and now I'm on like a mission that I want to grow my hair. And the only thing that grandma says is, after you have bath, come outside, and when your hair is wet, put oil वैसे ही tie your hair. That's it. And do it every alternate days. But I don't know if I will be able to stay with oily hair 24/7. That's another story. But I have my different plans. So yeah, rubber bands so that when I put oil in my hair, I can tie 2 joti and go to sleep. So there are rubber bands. Also, I wanted to make scrunchies out of them. अब गर्मी है, फालूदा तो खाने का इच्छा होता ही है. So we got 2 different flavors of faluda. We have faluda mix mango and mix rose. ये तो important है, ये छोटा छोटा important है. So we've got Cadbury Dairy Milk mini chocolates. Next thing, this is Hawa Ban. Okay, this is known as Hawa Ban Harday, and this is for digestion. Okay, so this is something that grandma wanted since I don't know how long, but then Mama finally found it at DMart, so she picked this up for her. It tastes like Hajmola. It is like original पुराने ज़माने का Hajmola. If you don't know what it is, but ठीक है, कभी कभी खाने को अच्छा लगता है. Oh, next thing. This is Dusky's favorite. So ये हमारा नहीं है, Dusky का है. So we've got marigold biscuits for Dusky. Either way, so we've got like 2 of this Lake Cafe soluble coffee powders. Oh, there is another dried thing. Okay, we've got dried cranberries now. And I got a razor because necessity. I'm going on a vacation, bro. I need to look good. Acha. So, while shopping now, we saw this jagah where there were all ginger garlic paste ऐसा sachets, packets and all. So ये देखा था and mama was like ये एक ले ginger garlic paste ले and then she asked me कितने का है देख. I told एक पे एक free है 50 रुपए का है. And then what she does is she takes एक पे एक free and then she takes another variety एक पे एक free. So now we have 4 ginger garlic pastes. Okay. Oh, I got Borolin just because I wanted Borolin. ये जो है ना, I'm gonna open it. This is mine anyway. So Borolin को mama says that don't put it on your face because काला हो जाता है. But this is very important because if you see right now, yeah, I'm so not going to show it to you, but I do have cuts on my legs as well. I'm not at all clumsy. I don't go and धड़कफाई here and there. So मुझे तो लगती नहीं है. But yeah, बहुत सारे cuts है पैर पे जो लग गई है बहुत सारे जगह पे. And the other thing is, so I'm a tattoo artist. If you don't know that already, I am a tattoo artist. And for the aftercare, I would prefer using Borolin instead of anything else because it helps with the wounds as well as burns. So like if you read it all out, see, burnt skin, dry skin, wounds, cuts. So this is really helpful for tattoos as well. I have one tattoo which has bumps in it and it keeps on like uska scabbing hote rehta hai every now and then. So I wanted to use this on my tattoos. This is mainly for my tattoos, okay? Because there are few tattoos जो every now and then उसका scabbing हो रहा है. Like there's one over here, the rose tattoo here, and there's one on my leg. So I just want to use it for that. Okay, moving on. Very important thing, very important thing. Of course, it has to be cheese cubes. Because whatever I cook, if I make anything, I want cheese and butter in it if I am cooking. But I have evolved now, thoda sa, and I've stopped putting cheese and butter in everything. But हाँ, तो भी important है भाई. मैगी है मेरे पास अभी, पेरी पेरी मसाला है, सब चीज तो रहना ही पड़ेगा. So we have dates. ईरानी dates. मम्मा के जूते. For the travel की चीजें बहुत कम लेके आए ना हम. खाने पीने के ज्यादा. But we have this little pouch over here with a lot of compartments and zippers and all, and a cute little छोटू सा mirror. So like this is for the vacation because we're going to put in like, what do you say, a brush and everything. That was close. But brush ये सारी चीजें we're going to put it into this. Mama was looking for better colors, but black अच्छा होता है. Moving on, we have, what do I show you next? Okay. These are face towels and they're so soft. Like, guys, it's so soft. So soft. This is another towel, like a bada sa towel. It's for me. Because the blue looks good and ठीक दिखता है. This is for me. And ये छोटू सा towel है ना, तो किधर भी fit हो जाएगा सब. Yeah. And कौन देख रहा है मेरा aesthetic towel है कि क्या है? Either way, let's move on to the next thing that we got. Okay. So these are the things that Mama got for herself for the trip again. These are super cute, okay? I really like them. They're very comfy. It looked so nice. So they're like a long gown kind of thing. And it's very nice. It's her size. Of course, it's not my size. It's her size, but अच्छा दिख रहा है. So these are like the t-shirt dresses, you could say. So yeah, this is one that she got for herself. This is the second one. This one is nice green in color and it's very comfortable. I kind of like the fabric a lot because it's very soft and stretchable and it has pockets, bro. It has two pockets. So that is a very good thing. And lastly, we've got this one for mama. And okay, this is again like a gown, like a t-shirt dress, you could say, with these frills and everything. So yeah, she got these three for herself. Moving on to what I got, we have this shorts with the belt. So we have these beautiful shorts and it's stretchable. So really like them. And this is again for the vacation. And then we have another trouser. Okay. There will be places where I will require the trousers. So we have this trouser. I like this trouser a lot because it has like 4 pockets. So like दोनों तरफ पे यहाँ पे pockets है and then there's like यहाँ पे भी pocket है like and it is like थोड़ा tight over here. I don't like that but ठीक है. Not a big fan of it but it's okay because the rest of it is nice. It feels good and this thing is just an extra thing over there. So I thought ठीक ठाक लग रहा है. And then we're down to the last few things. Okay, we have this dabba. डब्बे के अंदर डब्बे के अंदर डब्बे के अंदर डब्बा. There are 5 pieces. So ये तो kitchen का सामान. Now for the last 2 things that I got, I will show them to you. There are 2 tops जो 100 रुपए में मिला मुझे each, 99 rupees each. So this has this racer back and yeah, you know, I went for pink. Either way, कुछ तो लिखा है भाई, वो नहीं पता but मैंने अभी तक पढ़ा भी नहीं है. So it says the secret of your future is hidden in your daily routine. What is my daily routine? Anyway, this is the top that I got. And yeah, this was something मम्मा को पसंद आया था तो ये उठा लिया. So yeah, the place that we're going to 2-3 different places and वहाँ पे कुछ जगहों पे बहुत गर्मी होगी, कुछ जगहों पे ठंडी होने वाली है. So that is why the racer bags and I need to even pack. I will show you whatever I pack as well. But that is another video. Why am I talking about the next video right now? Either way, this is the last thing in the haul right now. And this is the same racer bag kind of top, like the same racer back thing. It is not yellow color like it looks in the camera. It's more of a peachy kind of color, you could say. And it says overthinking. जो मैं कभी करती नहीं हूँ, पता है, कभी नहीं करती हूँ.
चल झूठा.
Say overthinking. It's overthinking. Okay, fine, whatever. So these are all the things that we got from DMart today, along with 2 bags because you have to buy them. So yeah, these are all the things that we got from DMart. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, like the video, comment down below, share it with your friends and family. Help me reach 1K followers, 1K subscribers on YouTube. And like, share, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. ए अभी तुम लोग वीडियो चालू करें, आवाज नहीं करना. एंड ऐसा मुंह बंद बना हुआ मेरे को करने दे, मेरे को फटाफट खत्म करने का. हाय एवरीवन. ए तू बाहर जा मम्मा, तो मेरे को एकदम कॉन्शियस कर रही है. Either you sit next to me over here and make the video with me. शोन काय को बैठेगा मेरे साथ.
मेरा कपड़ा बदला करने में लग गई.
मैं
वेट. अरे बाबा तू जा, मैं लेकर आ जा फिर पाव मैं फ्राई करके इसमें वो दे डाल जल्दी से.
हाँ रुक जा, दिखा रही है और देती. दिस स्मूथ का बेस्ट पार्ट इज दैट पीते जाओ पीते जाओ पीते जाओ, इट्स नॉट लाइक एक घुट में खत्म हो गया जैसे वो छोटू वाला स्मूथ आता है। आई एम जस्ट 25। ऐसी कौन सी बीमारी है जो मुझे नहीं है? बहुत सारी है, लिस्ट है। इस पे भी एक बड़ी वीडियो बना सकती हूँ कि दैट यू नो लाइक द लिस्ट ऑफ बीमारीज दैट आई हैव। ऐसा लंबा लिस्ट बनेगा। इधर वे सो 3 बार सुबह उठने के साथ एक, नाश्ता के साथ एक, शाम में कम से कम 3 बार। आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ चाय, आई लव चाय। सो या मैंने देखा था कि दैट आज क्लाउडी रहेगा मौसम एंड इट हैज स्टार्टेड बिकमिंग क्लाउडी। आई एम सो हैप्पी।